List 1 shows different loads acting on a beam and list 2 shows different bending moment distributions. Match the load with the corresponding bending moment diagram. In a simply supported beam, one moment is there and its bending moment diagram is this one. Okay, there is a change in sign in the bending moment. Okay, in the second beam, there is a concentrated load is acting and its bending moment diagram is this 4. So, our option A matches with 2 and B 4. And in the third beam, a uniformly distributed load is acting and its bending moment diagram is parabolic and C matches with 1. And in the fourth beam, a uniformly varying load is acting and its bending moment diagram is 3. Okay, then our option 2, 4, 1, 3, option D is the answer.